Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you why I feel network marketing is a numbers game. All right, and I'm gonna tell you this because if you're watching this, you might be thinking about getting into network marketing, or maybe you just started network marketing and you're struggling, or you haven't made any money yet. This video will definitely help you out. Now look, I am involved with, in my opinion, the two best network marketing opportunities out there right now. Actually, best affiliate marketing and network marketing opportunities out there right now. And these companies are Live Good and Nexus Rewards. Now listen, these companies are two completely different opportunities, but they are absolutely incredible opportunities, right? I mean, when it comes to Nexus Rewards, it's all about showing people how to save money, where they never have to, pay retail for anything again. People get their bills reduced. They get discounts when they go out to eat, discounts when they travel, right? They get the opportunity to build a monthly recurring income. It's just dope. Then you got Live Good over here. Live Good is all about health and wellness products, and they got a very low barrier to cost to get involved. It's $10 a month, and you have the earning potential that is just ridiculous, right? 50% matching bonuses, people joining every day, blah, 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 right? Two super dope network marketing opportunities that people can plug into and actually start making money and not lose money. Both of these opportunities, make it where you don't lose money. They just give you an incredible opportunity to earn life-changing money. Now, with all that being said, right, it's still a struggle, right? It's still a struggle to get people, because as good as these opportunities are, people will still, overlook them, right? People will still see it and be like, no, it's scam. What? Network marketing, huh? Pyramid, huh? Scam, exposed, pyramid, blah, 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 ain't real, fake, whatever. Right? You're going to get a lot of that. No matter how good the opportunity is you involved with, you're going to have to show this to a lot of people, right? To make it happen. For you to actually get the money that you want to make with the opportunities, you got to really show it to a lot of people. You have to. So if you're getting into network marketing or whatever opportunity you're getting involved with, you have to go in it knowing like, yo, I need to show this to a lot of people. So if I'm going to do YouTube, start doing your YouTube research, start building your channel. If you're going to use Facebook, you need to, get your Facebook marketing strategy. If you want to take your opportunities offline and do vendor events and things like that, which is something that I want to get into, man. I need to do that my damn self. But if you're going to do it, right? Really take your network marketing business opportunity serious and understand that it is a numbers game. Now, granted, you want to be, targeted, right? You want to find a target audience for people that, would be interested in your business opportunity. But the cool thing about Nexus Rewards and Live Good is these two opportunities appeal to the masses, right? And that's why I'm involved with these opportunities. But even if your opportunity you're involved with doesn't, you still need to target in, right? And find the masses. You need to make sure you're showing your opportunity to thousands of people, to be honest with you, right? Because, if you show 1,000 people your opportunity, no matter how good it is, you're going to get like 100 people that actually sign up, right? And get involved. And out of those 100 people, you'll get like 20 that really do something with the opportunity. And out of that 20, you're probably going to get like 5 that's actually going to go hard and, and benefit you and the whole team, right? So you got to keep that in mind when it comes to network marketing. It truly is a numbers game. And some people don't agree with that. Some people like, no, you just got to be real precise and da-da-da. Yeah, to a degree. But ultimately, you got to just get that out there. get the opportunity out there. If you believe in your opportunities you involved with, then be proud. You know what I'm saying? Promote that shit. Get it on your shirts, get merchandise, get flyers. You know what I'm saying? Talk about it on your YouTube videos, your social media. Let it be known. Like, this is what I'm doing. This is what I rock with. You know, you want to join me? Great. If you don't, so what? Because I'm going to keep it moving. So it really don't matter. Like, that's the mindset you got to have if you want to be successful with network marketing. Now, if you want more information about the two companies that I'm currently involved with, Nexus Rewards and Live Good, you want to watch this video right here, right now.